Let's draw a wolf.
Tap the screen once to pause between steps. Draw a triangle, a line down the middle. Find the halfway point, and the halfway point again. Draw a circle, and a U shape. 2 curved lines where the ears will go, and a line across for the eyes. Draw pointed ovals, and a little dot for the pupil. 2 ovals above the eye, and 1 below. Let's draw a circle for the nose and color it in. A couple of lines for the mouth, and a darker line under the nose. Let's connect those now, and draw the mouth. Shade in the nose. Let's draw the side of the mouth. A couple of V's under the eyes. Shade in the middle of the head. Let's define the nose a little more with some shading. Okay, the side of the head, and some jagged lines for the fur. Draw the top of the head now. Let's define the ears, and color them in. More jagged lines for fur. Shade beneath the mouth, and the top of the head. Let's shade the body now. Some final touch-ups for shading. Remember to shade lightly, you can always darken it later. And shading the body. If you got value from this content, please do follow, like, comment, and share or copy link.